Welcome to part 4 of profit and loss. In part 4 we are going to touch upon some very advanced type of example which is for the profit and loss. So let us start with an example. Moon sells a table at 10% profit. So sales means SP. If that table was purchased CP by 5% less than its CP and sold it SP by it rupees 80 more, then Moon made a profit of 20%. Then find out the CP of table. So what is the CP? CP is always 100% and she sells at 10% profit. So 100% plus 10% is the profit. So SP is 110%. Then what they say, if that table was purchased, the new CP, by 5% less, so 5% less means 100% minus 5%, that is 95% is the new CP, right? And sold it by rupees 80 more, she made a profit of 20%. So now she is going to make 95% of 120% because 20% more. So this is the new CP. Okay, so 95% into 120%. So 19 or 95% means 19 over 20 multiply by 120% means 6 over 5. That is the new CP, new SP. Now new SP minus old SP, she is making 80 rupees more. So new SP we already know over here, minus old SP is 11 over 10, that is 80. So that is coming to rupees 2000. Kehkasa sold her watch at 5% loss. If she sells by 27 more, then she made a profit of 7%. So profit of 27 means the difference between two SP, because first she sells and then again she sells, and in that entire transaction she is going to make 27% profit. So loss and profit. When loss and profit is given, you have to always plus. So 7% plus 5% plus 7% is 12%, and the real value will be coming to rupees 27. So if it is 100%, then how much? Then 100% into 27% divided by 12%, that comes to CP is going to be rupees 225 for Kehkasa. Rasna sells the concentration of drink at 15% loss. If Rasna sells it by 100 rupees more, then Rasna made a profit of 10%. Then what is the CP of the concentration? So first transaction she made a loss of 15%, and in the second time she is going to make a profit of 10%. So profit and loss means plus, so it is 25%, and in values it is 150. So 25%, the real value is 150 rupees. So if it is 100%, then how much? So 100 into 150 into 25. So the CP of the concentration is rupees 600. Aftab sold one item at 19% loss. If Aftab sold it by rupees 120 more, then Aftab made a profit of 20%. Now you see loss and profit. Loss and profit means plus, and the difference between the two selling price is 120 more. So it is 19 plus 21, it is 40%. So 40%, then the real value is 120. So if it is 100, then how much? So if you are multiplying 100% with 120 divided by 40%, then after CP, cost price for the Aftab, is rupees 300. Mehtab reduces the weight of an item by 20%. and sell the product at CP, then how much percentage of profit Mehtab earns? Now you see, when these kind of examples are given and the kg or kilogram is given, then always you have to assume it is on 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 1 kg is 1000 gram and 20% of 1000 gram is 200 grams. Now sales at CP means SP of 800 grams, C is going to make a profit of 200 grams. So it is a case of number. So how much C is earning? C is earning 200 grams. And what is SP? SP is 800 grams. Why it is 800? We are dividing because it is a case of a number. So 800 grams, I mean 200%. So Mehtab is going to make a profit of 25%. So here we are ending the part 4 of profit and loss. See you again in part 5 in profit and loss.